One of the most common problems that I see all the time is people struggling with their glue pulling, saying things like, "Help, my glue won't stick." So in this video today, I'm going to share with you some of my top tips to help you get the very best out of your glue pulling. So stay tuned. So we're going to run through a few examples on this panel behind me and then have a look and show you what it is you should be looking out for to help you get the best out of your glue pulling. So in that first example, we saw as I pulled away the tab, there was a stringy gluey mess, a bit like melted cheese, between the panel and the tab itself. So if you are getting that stringy long glue, that's an indicator that you've not allowed long enough for that glue to adhere before pulling. So anytime that you see that the glue is all breaking apart and sticking together, it needed longer to be able to set before giving it a pull. In this second repair example, we saw the tab come clean away from the panel and it didn't leave any glue on the tab, so all my glue is left on the door. If that happens to you, it's usually an indicator that you need to do some more prep work on the tab. So often when we're working, we can get a little bit of dust, grime, sort of grease on the tools, on the tabs. It's very important to make sure it's nice and clean. So just using like a cleaning alcohol like the isopropyl, you can really make sure you keep your tabs clean, also the repair area, and it helps just get rid of that kind of grime, the sort of dust, grease, moisture that will affect a pull. So that's what we're looking at in number 2. If you're pulling your tab off, the tab's clean and all your glue's on the door, then it's usually a sign you need to do some prep work on your tab. So in that third example, we saw the tab come clean off with the glue attached to it and it's left my panel clean. So just as we do with cleaning our tabs, we also need to clean the repair area. And we can use that same isopropyl alcohol, just clean the area that we're going to be working on with our glue pulling, and it just helps remove any kind of moisture, grime, road film, and especially with kind of waxes and polishes on cars, it really helps to remove all of that first before doing your glue pull, just to give you a really nice clean pull. So in that example of the glue being on the tab, it shows us we needed to do preparation work on the door so that the glue adhered correctly to the door. And then here's a bonus tip for you as well. If you've tried those 3 things and you're still having difficulty, the next thing to check would be your temperature. Now you do need a fairly warm environment to be doing glue pulling, at least to get the optimum good pulls. So do just check your environment. If a panel is too cold, the glue won't set in the right amount of time, it starts to go off too quickly and it won't correctly adhere to the panel, so it gives you a failed pull. Likewise, if the panel is too hot, then again the glue won't set in the right time and it remains soft, it won't fully cure, so again it won't give you a nice clean pull. Usually I like to have the panel kind of just about light warm to touch, so maybe around room temperature to kind of mid-20s in Celsius. That's generally quite a good environment or good temperature for most standard glue pulling. So that's it from me today. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. As always, don't forget you can subscribe to my channel and you can leave me any comments, any questions below this video, and I'll see you in the next one.